All right, we're at our teacher model. All eyes on me, pencils down. Everybody should be at a level 0. All right, so here's our teacher model. Yes, we're still talking about muffins. Maybe, just maybe, Miss Brown is still hungry. All right, so we have 3 blueberry muffins, 2 pumpkin muffins, and 1 bran muffin. All right, so we have questions C, D, E, and F to answer. So now that I know that we have 3 blueberry muffins, 2 pumpkin muffins, and 1 bran muffin, I know that 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. So I know that there are a total of 6 muffins. I'm going to keep that in the back of my mind. All right. So bran muffins to total muffins. I know that there is only 1 bran muffin and there are 6 total muffins. Okay, got it. Blueberry muffins to pumpkin muffins. There are 3 blueberry muffins and there are 2 pumpkin muffins. So it's going to be 3-to-2 ratio. Got it. All right. Bran muffins to pumpkin muffins. There's 1 bran muffin and there are 2 pumpkin muffins, 1-to-2 ratio. And then blueberry muffins to bran muffins. Blueberry is 3-to-1 bran muffin. All right, so I have C through F complete. But which ratios are part to part ratios and which ratios are part to whole? So I know that part to part, I'm comparing one type of or one item to the next item. And I know that part to whole, I'm comparing one item to the total number of items. All right, so let me look. So I'm looking at C, D, E, and F. I see that in C, we're comparing a type of muffin to the total number of muffins. And then the rest of them are comparing muffins, one type of muffin to the next. So I know that C is part to whole because whole and total is the same thing. So E, D, E, and F are all part to part ratios. Got it. All right. So my next question. Number 3, I'm going to start off by reading my question. Then I'm going to look for a relationship between each column. I'm going to identify the relationship, and I'm going to check to make sure that that relationship works for each variety pack. Then I'm going to fill in my chart. All right, got it. Analyze the table that shows the number of muffins in each variety pack. All right, so in each variety pack. Got it. So each variety pack. So I can't add going down because I'm looking at the I'm sorry. I can't, yes. So I can't add because 1 plus 3, I'm sorry, 1 plus 2 is 3, but 3 plus 2 is not 2. So I know addition is not going to work. But I know that Ms. Brown said when we're talking ratios, we're going to be multiplying. So let me try to multiply. But I'm going to multiply across instead of, so I'm multiplying across the rows instead of going down each column. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. But let me just make sure that that works for all of them. 9 times 2 is 18. Yes. 6 times 2 is 12. Got it. 3 times 2 is 6, and 18 times 2 is 36. So we're multiplying everything by 2's. Got it. So 18 times 2 is 36, 12 times 2 is 24, 6 times 2 is 12, and 36 times 2 is 72. But how did I get my answer? So I looked for a connection between each variety pack by starting off by adding by 3. That only worked for one variety pack. So then I tried to multiply by 2, and that worked for each variety pack. Okay, so I was able to fill in my chart. But one thing, guys, I want to say that I made an error. Instead of us looking for a connection between each column, we're looking for a connection going across each row. Okay? Alrighty. So now I want you to work with your partner. The expectation is that you're going to complete number 3, questions A through C with your table groups by drawing the models or pictures to help you make sure that you're answering the questions with the units. So we're talking muffins. We're going to make sure that we have our number and then muffins at the end. If we're talking boys to girls, we're gonna make sure we have our number and